Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here, and today I'm slightly further at the same spot where I used to fly recently, and some people said they are not able to watch the helicopters properly, so I'm gonna fly in this area. It's kind of open here, and see if helicopter is nice and visible and how is the feeling. I mean, it's not that kind of space, that kind of spot where I stand slightly higher, helicopter is lower, but anyway, let's give it a try. So here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Idle up 1.
Doing pyro flips, I don't feel too confident here because I'm standing very low to the ground and I don't have much leverage, and if I do it on higher level, yes, it is possible, but I'm not used to doing that at higher level. That is more than enough for today at this new place. Thank you very much for watching. Give this video a big like, stay subscribed, hit that little bell icon, and turn on all the notifications. Come on, you know what to do. hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?